The Enneagram Type 9 as a leader, also called the peacemaker. Let's talk about their leadership style. When all is well, this leader brings calm, stability, and quiet strength to the team. Under stress, though, they might go radio silent while saying everything's fine. Type nines lead with harmony in mind. They're motivated by a deep need to maintain peace both around them and within them. They're inclusive, collaborative, and often skilled mediators. But under pressure, they may avoid conflict, delay decisions, or downplay their own priorities. If you're a type 9 leader, your steadiness is a gift, but your voice matters too. Your team needs you to step forward, not just support from the sidelines. At their best, nines lead with presence, patience, and perspective, bringing people together and guiding them from the center, not the edges.